2022 Toyota Camry TRD. This is what it sounds like before. Has just a muffler delete on it right now. Still got factory resonator. Don't sound too bad. Here's sound decibels on it. Right at 89.2. So we got to get it a little bit louder. Stay tuned. We're going to test a few different resonators on it. See which resonator he's going to like. Stay tuned. So it's got a 22 TRD Camry. So this is with the resonator cutoff that I just showed you guys. So what we're gonna do, guys, again. All right, turn it off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna test all these resonators. Magnaflow Magnapack, Vibrant, Carven R, Flowmaster Flow FX, NTR, Netami Twist, last but not least, BIGBOZ 4s. So the first one we're gonna start with is the Magnaflow Magnapack, part number 10416. Stay tuned. All right, so here's the Magnaflow Magnapack, part number 10416. What do you think of that one? Not loud enough? It's not loud enough. Again? Again, that's the Magnapack 10416. All right, next we're gonna do the Carven R CVESR 25. What do you think of that one? He likes that one too. Again? All right, that's the Carven R. All right, next is the Vibrant, part number right there, 1792, 2.5. Better. What do you think of that one? You like that one so far? So he likes this one. Again? Again, that's the Vibrant, part number 1792. Next is the Flowmaster Flow FX. Again? So it's the Flowmaster Flow FX, part number 71416. One more time. All right, turn it off. What do you think? You don't like that one either. So he's not into the Magnapack or Magnaflow. I mean the Magnapack or the Flow FX. All right, next is the Netami NTR. Next is the Netami NTR race muffler. Go ahead. All right, turn it off. What do you think? That's probably the one. Okay. Tell us what you guys think. You think the Netami should be the one? And Netami NTR race muffler. Next one is the Netami Twist. Let's see what he thinks of that one. Stay tuned. What do you think of that one? You don't like it. He's saying no. So, no on the Netami Twist. And last but not least, BIGBOZ exhaust 4, 2.5 in and out. I know you guys never seen the inside of these, so I'm gonna show you. That's what they look like on the inside. Really cool. They're close to the NTR, just different cuts. Look at the NTR. The NTR is more holes. See that? While the BIGBOZ is like that. So stay tuned. Let's see if you guys like the BIGBOZ. And we appreciate them sending them out to us to try. So stay tuned. Here's BIGBOZ. That's not bad either. BIGBOZ 4s. Again. All right, turn it off. What do you think of that one? So it's between the BIGBOZ and the NTR, right? Which one do you like more? You want to hear them again? All right. So what we're gonna do, he narrowed it down from all of these to these two. The NTR or BIGBOZ? Let's see. That's BIGBOZ right there, okay? Go ahead. All right. And here's NTR for comparison. Go ahead. Which one you like that? Oh, he's going with the BIGBOZ. BIGBOZ for the win. One last time. All right, BIGBOZ it is. It's the one that won from all of these guys. All right. So here they are. Let us know in the comments, guys, if you want us to do more videos like this. All right, 2022 TRD Toyota Camry V6 NA, naturally aspirated. Not yet, no supercharged, nothing yet. But it's coming. That's what he said. It's coming. So we will see. All the way from Virginia. And honestly, all the way from Japan, because he's stationed in Japan and he just came back thanks to his service. Converters, factory up there, secondary up there, or another factory up there, and then the secondaries right here. And then what we did, we showed you guys earlier in the video, there's the BIGBOZ installed, BIGBOZ 4, right here, 2.5. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2.5 continues all the way back. Then it's white out and has a muffler delete also in the rear. There and there. And it's finished off nicely with the TRD tips factories right there and right there. And there's a factory resonator that was on it. It's gigantic. We took it off and replaced it with BIGBOZ. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. I love the look of them. How they did the whole body kit on them. They're so nice. What do you guys think? Do you like the look of these? Let me know. Go ahead. So much better. Yeah, now it's like 106. It wasn't even hitting 90, 95. What do you guys think? BIGBOZ sounds good. BIGBOZ did it again. Again? Your sound decibels? Go ahead. 108. Heck yeah. That's awesome. You approve? He approves. He loves it. We should have changed the tips for you to black ones. They'll match with the wheels. We can do it now if you want. I think they'll look better with the wheels black because the wheels are black. Oh, that sounds really nice. Yeah, don't you guys think he should put black wheels on it? I think I'm going to convince him. He needs them. Here it is on idle. Very quiet, clean. Give it gas. That's perfect. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
One second.